Well, guys, I made it back to Lowe's. I got 2 more of these red hot poker plants, and I got 6 lavenders because so far I'm not seeing the squirrels touching those. So those are getting added to the garden. Good morning, guys. It's Saturday. It's 9:30-ish in the morning. It's already 80 degrees. We're getting up to 90, and it's very, very humid. We've had a lot of rain this week. So you saw I picked up a few more things over at Lowe's, so I'm going to get those in the dirt before it gets even hotter here. Let's see where it goes. I have no idea how I'm going to rearrange the plants, so I'm just going to take out what needs to be moved so I can put the other things in. I don't know. I'm going to do it in stages. We'll see what happens. We'll see. Okay. Oops. Needs to come back more. Coming across a lot of rocks in my holes. lavenders are pretty wet. I'm probably not going to water them today, but definitely tomorrow morning. Okay guys, let's go see how it turned out. Let's go do a close-up. The camera died on me in the middle of planting the lavenders because it was overheating. I told you it was hot today. Camera said I've had enough of this. But let's come over here and give it a look. I'm really pleased with it. But so, whew, here we go. Look how full it's looking. Let's start on the right and work towards the left. How about that? So I didn't know where to put the Autumn Joy. So I just put him over here for right now. I was looking at what's happening over here, and these are some of the Mexican petunias that are kicking back. They're growing back. So even though the squirrels ate them, they're growing back. So we'll see if they have a second life here. Those are my daylilies, no flower buds yet. The hostas. And that's where I put the 3 other lavenders. This one just said lavender. I have no idea what kind of lavender it is. These over here I know are Spanish lavenders, but they're obviously 2 different varieties because this has got more of a lemony yellow tone and that's got more of a blue tone to it. But that ombre coneflower there, I had to move back a few feet. It was sitting out too far. Now I've got a threesome, a little grouping of the black-eyed Susans here. I'm so happy everything's in 3s. Look at this. I have the 3 hostas. I have the 3 lavenders. I have the 3 black-eyed Susans with a little touch of a little surprise in that corner. And then we'll come over here to the red hot pokers, and there's 3 of those, and then 3 more lavenders, and 2 of the purple hearts. I had 3, but 1 didn't survive. And then it's the same thing on this side. I got my 3 lavenders here and 3 black-eyed Susans there, and then that little random pop color surprise over there. And my little hosta garden there. Those are all babies, so I tell you, I'm really tired. When it's this hot out and it's this humid, that really wipes you out fast. But look at it though. I'm so pleased with the way that it turned out. I don't care how tired and sweaty I am right now. because I'm happy. Oh, it's just so beautiful, you guys. I can't even tell you how much fun it's been since I started this garden last year. This has been the best thing for me, even with the squirrels, even with things not surviving. It's just fun to plan and shop and put all the beautiful things together. All right, well, that's it for today. I love you guys. We'll catch you in the next video. Toodles.